friends, in today's video, we present how to study weak subjects. We would be discussing the top 6 tips to study effectively for exams. Friends, are you struggling with a weak subject or with some weak subjects? Do you feel like you are not making any progress no matter how hard you study? Well, don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how to turn your weaknesses into strengths with our top 6 tips, tricks and hacks for studying effectively. So friends, let us proceed ahead and enjoy this video. Friends, the first step is identify your learning style. Are you a visual learner, an auditory learner, or do you prefer to learn by reading and writing the study material? By identifying your learning style, you can tailor your study techniques to fit your needs. Friends, the second tip is break it down. When you are faced with a difficult subject, then it can be quite tough to try to tackle it all at once. Instead, break it down into smaller, manageable chunks. Divide your chapters into smaller parts and focus on one concept at a time. Friends, the next step is get a tutor. Sometimes a little extra help can make all the difference. Consider getting a tutor who can provide you with one-on-one guidance and explain the material in a way which is easier for you to understand and grasp. Friends, the next step is use flashcards. Flashcards are a great way to memorize important information. Write a question on one side and the answer on the other side of the flashcard. Quiz yourself regularly to keep the information fresh in your mind. Friends, the fifth tip is study with a group. Studying with a group can be a great way to stay motivated and on track. You can share your notes, ask each other questions, and hold each other accountable. And friends, the sixth tip is have patience and determination. Remember, mastering a weak subject takes time and effort. But with the right techniques and by having patience and determination, you can turn your weaknesses into strengths. And friends, always keep saying to yourself, I can do it. Always remain positive. So friends, I hope that you have enjoyed this small video on how to study weak subjects and the top 6 tips to study effectively for exams. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I would be uploading a new video soon. Friends, in order to watch all my latest videos, do subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. And do click this bell icon to get notifications whenever I publish a new video.